Hi, I'm David Penn.
And I'm Tracy Penn, and we are two of the presenters at this year's Marketing Dentistry 2015 lecture series.
Although not related, Tracy and I do have a number of things in common. The main one being we're both passionate about seeing Australian dental practices flourish and the doctors and their team have rewarding and happy careers. We're in the midst of massive shifts within our chosen profession, and although it is imperative to understand these shifts, there is little point complaining about them as they're here to stay. And either we need to adapt to them and flourish or suffer the consequences of sticking our heads in the sand, hoping for a bygone era.
The good news is, as with all shifts in business, there are latent opportunities with the current changes we are seeing, and those practices who take the time to understand these opportunities and capitalise on them will have bright and enjoyable futures, whilst other practice will just wither on the vine.
There is really nothing new going on here. We have seen similar seismic shifts in other sectors and still do. I mean, do you remember bookshops, bad coffee, using a travel agent to book a domestic flight, or even paying $1,000 for a pair of reading glasses? I could go on forever. Kodak is another great example. But within each of these sectors, there have been those who have flourished and those who have died. For dentists, one of the options, even worse than the sector getting wiped out completely, is that of mediocrity. Imagine all the study and hard work. The heck step if you're one of the younger dentists, and all for what? An income less than a manager at McDonald's? Guys, I'm not joking. This is happening today and it's going to get worse. But you're smart. You know how to study. You became a doctor. And if you can do that, then you can get your head around what is required today to run a patient-focused, successful practice.
At Marketing Dentistry 2015, we have some of the brightest brains within the dental sector worldwide. We have Dr. Howard Ferran presenting his one-day dental MBA for the very first time in Australia. We have Sandy Roth, who has been at the forefront of dental communications for well over 20 years. And we have this guy, Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2011, teaching you how to innovate to stay ahead of the game.
I don't think she's talking about me, but nevertheless, we have Tracy. This girl is truly, she's great. She's fantastic. And you know what? I wish she was related to me. Everybody asks me, is she your wife, your girlfriend, your sister? Never your mother. Sometimes my daughter. Look at her. She's only a baby. Anyway, if you want to do anything to enhance your practice and career this year, it should be attending Marketing Dentistry 2015.
We're going to be in Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne, and seats are available for purchase right now.
And tell them
David sent you.
Whatever you like. Remember, she's my daughter, my oldest daughter. We'll see you soon.